Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Chandra Kurniawan. I'm from BBIC. An investigation into a link between classroom environment and evil student-teacher academic achievement. Abstract. The aim of the present study was the investigated the relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education study program of the State Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang by considering collaboration research student of English major of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took the part of the sample by using confluence sampling. The data of the study were collected by administering by a configuration of college and university classroom environment inventory. To access the student academic achievement score, person, product, moment, and aggregation analysis were used to analyze the data. From the analysis, it was found by the rewards it was the level probability significant. Its mean are rejected and was extracted. The result shows by that a significant correlation between classroom environment and the student academic achievement. A directional degradation analysis showed that classroom environment contribute only to the student academic achievement. Introduction. In this globalization era, the student is very institution are tended to be academically successful. Talent success is directly linked to the successful outcome for the youth society. Furthermore, Mustaq and Khan, Dusay and Cerebedo and Hollingworth agree that social of the economic and development of the country regularly relating with student academic perform. Perform is how arguably something is done. An eloquent parlance, perform is indicated through the academic achievement. Define academic achievement as the level of completion of proficiency one has achievement in academic area, as opposed to one potential. Therefore, the quality of student experience during college is shown by one's academic achievement. Academic achievement is important for students to prepare them for the future career and to student in accomplishment fields. This also plays important role in production the best quality graduates who will become great leader of the manpower of the country they responsible. Moreover, academic achievement serves as critic of the student true potential and abilities. Teaching is building of the facility learning in learning what the learning setting. It can be seen of the difference in the student achievement. This is caused by different factors, all the effect academic. One of the factors academic when the academic is happening in cultural environment, the classroom is a basic structure of our educational system. It is a miniature community of the member. Interest influence the behavior of others. In the classroom environment, in the culture can be place of the study of the knowledge. The classroom environment is an embodiment of the physical, local condition. Environment refers to the feeling of the type of classroom had the one with interaction in the classroom to play important part of student educational success of social development. Learning development can be determined by the classroom environment because the students spend their time to mostly on the classroom, although learning can take place in the other venues. Moreover, set the foreign language learner classroom in the many places where they are frequently in the target language, therefore creating of conductive learning environment by providing success classroom environment, physical and social psychology are very important. Taken into consideration the classroom environment affects student academic achievement. The student preparation of classroom environment are very important. Therefore, the reason why students fail in some subjects is probably because they are not initiate the classroom activities successfully defined of the considered by Ziegler, Karen, Holt, and Melzer. It showed that physical classroom environment such as incredible lightning, noise, and low air quality, a difficult heating in the classroom action significantly relate to lower student achievement. Physical environment is not only the main of biological achievement but also integrated the classroom statement by William. Classroom environment is dynamic system makes student interact each other is the place where the interaction between student and student or between student and instructor occur most frequently. According to Dewar, the poor student relationship may lead to poor achievement, while the good student-teacher relationship may lead to the better achievement. Moreover, both of and elaborate that a warm interaction in the classroom environment can lead to increased academic achievement and a sense of pride and belonging in the college. Primary study of the content by interviewing student of the English Education Study Program of the Islamic University of Raden Fatah, Palembang. Critically that some students enjoyed studying because they felt the classroom was already well structured, clean enough, conducive learning, and comfortable, etc. However, the thermostat with the electricity stopped working. The classroom was hot and dark, and this bothered of the student, especially those who sat in the back. In such situation, the students started or feel sleepy, and not some of them lost their focus to fill gaps at the lecture. Students also often were disappointed with the academic achievement because the class sometimes seemed boring and they did to participate in the class as well. The kind of the interaction between the class increased their feeling. Some gadgets have tried to investigate the correlation between student perception of classroom environment and their academic achievement. Colleagues showed there was a positive correlation between classroom environment and academic achievement. Temperature and ventilation also affect the classroom learning environment in the study. Ziegler et al. Was found that buildings that facilitate encourage student achievement. On the other hand, one of the did not relationship between physical condition and student. The aim of the study was to find one. Rather, there was no any significant connection between classroom environment and academic achievement of English educated study student of the State University of Palembang. And two, whenever or not classroom environment significantly included academic achievement of study education study forget of State University Islam Raden Kota Palembang. Literature review classroom environment and academic achievement. Classroom environment in the place which teaching and learning process occurs to accommodate define the classroom a base of all types of activities. It holds students together and over the realm of the opportunity of achievement. The problem of education, a greater part of education achieved in any school or college occurs to this room. Hannah also described the scholar meet the student develop what they are able to do, like as well knowledge of the skill they need to reach the goal. The classroom environment also defines of the student and teacher heart shared perception of the integrated and using the classroom place to interaction material and student of the in order to get student behavior. However, the classroom environment has no influence on the teaching. Abdang Mu'min Hatibi, Akhirati Mabok and Nazrina, the classroom environment, the negative comment from teacher, the peer may hijack the learner of the activity in changing and eventually make it difficult to skip. Student academic achievement review indicate obtained by student upon accomplishing the course of the end of study of an introduction environment, especially in college, school, and university. This can differ over academic achievement of level of actual accomplishment of proficiency. One of the achievement in academic area is but student potential. There was two kind of the academic achievement: GPA, Captain average, which is the student academic achievement in each semester the student achieve at the end of their college, and cumulative GPA, which is obtained by having scored both each subject from the whole semester they are already take. The relationship between classroom environment of academic achievement, the role of the classroom environment in increasing academic outcome has been shown by many research indications of years. The physical environment in the classroom can significantly predict academic achievement. And a set of relationship of university has come by evidence for the positive relationship between the perception of classroom environment and academic achievement. A set of the classroom environment such a potential who are the outcome is should be not equal because the student will perform better and have no positive attitude in learning when they take specifically environment. Positively, a positive classroom learning environment is closely related to the student change academic achievement. Therefore, it can be said the student perception of classroom environment will affect of student academic achievement because the students who have a positive perception of the classroom environment will have a high interest with the lesson. It may be increased activities. Methodology, research design and study, collection research and method of the to find out the collection between variable and interpret the result of my day apparatus. This method was used to find out the collection between classroom environment and academic achievement of student English of the program Eastern Cadet Uni Palembang. As well, of the collection design is problem quantitative research is an effective measure of the degree of association between two or more variables in on the statistical products and collection analysis. Furthermore, Frank Volume and Hume state collection studies investigated possibility between only two variables or the investigation of two variables are common for the server one. College and university classroom investigation Susei. Questionnaire from the Dr. Fletcher and Dennis was given numerical domain environment to the student to find out the correlation between the variables based on the result of questionnaire and cumulative GPA, and for the explanation of the result were discussed. Research sampling and progression of the population of the study of the area of study program of State University of Raden Kota Palembang in the academic year, which consisted of student of the education study program of the second, fourth, and sixth semester took part in the study sample by using confined sampling. Data collection. Before collecting data, the two instruments in the study were checked to the validity and the creative procedure. Collection was ready to match question and was already validated by the first determinant of the question consists of 49 items of positive and negative statement from 0 for like a scale of ranking 1 strongly disagree to 5 strongly agree. For positive statement, as from this to 1 strongly agree. For negative statement, convert alpha of 70 to 90 was it can be considered by to say was valid and reliable beside the document of the objective to reliable measure student of academic achievement documenting further was not checked because it had been validated. Unreliable to the sum up of the data were able to be used of each function and aggregation analysis data analysis before analyzing data performance normality and learning of the connected if its mean data are not normal. Common and was used to see normality. The result of normality indicated of data usage of variable we are not normal with applied to the data analysis with comparisons of classroom information of for academic achievement. For legendary test, different of negative was obtained in the probably is higher than of the variable are like the result showed of the deviation from linearity between classroom information and academic achievement or higher than which result was linear. After all data were found normal and linear, the collocation of regression analysis were conducted. The result of the improvement of qualification decision of KPI were connected to find quotation with agreement with between the variable drop the question product moment coefficient in SPSS the significant level than significant of the by using the technical comparison the data of data significant deposition of 5 product moment one the significant median margin there is the correlation between the P in order to know the contribution of classroom effort and academic achievement of undergraduate level student of economic and university of Kota Palembang aggregate analysis was complete. Funding and discussion in the study to kind of itu menjaga jurusan persiapan and documentation faculty college and university classroom information infrastructure the result of the student classroom improvement showed the maximum score was and the lowest the main classroom improvement for the participants was initially different than this mean score indicated the level of talent improvement of English education study program of the Islamic University of Kota Palembang was on the valid level. The database analysis statistical of analysis of classroom improvement for the participant it showed table 1 below. It derived from the question of the level of improvement. The representative of the student the result showed the high category belong to average category student and low category. Second, after the documentation student of academic achievement was expanded the static of the higher cumulative GPA was 4.00 of the lower and 1.45 the mean academic achievement preparing and the standard development is the distribution of report of the GPA. After crossing of the research student of academic achievement, I then category with the student based on the cumulative GPA score. The result where the common category is very good student, where good category student with enough category from the data can be corridor of the student academic achievement and above very good category. The distribution of the student academic achievement is presented by the following table. Based on the possible moment collection on the data was collection by between classroom and academic achievement. The collection of the collection with the higher table form was lower than can be inferred to show there are positive collection between classroom involvement and academic achievement based on the intake coefficient by Cohen, Manion, and Larson. The correlation coefficient are obtained indicated of the level correlation between variables is like correlation. Since there are correlation between classroom improvement and academic achievement, it can be inferred the classroom improvement has advantage of student academic achievement. Therefore, regression analysis will conduct to find a classroom interference to academic result of rating. Regression indicated the classroom improvement of the student academic achievement, which was the higher no lower quality of the student academic achievement of the Kota of Palembang. In addition to know the percentage of classroom improvement to increase of the academic achievement R square, the result of the analysis referred by the R square. The classroom improvement gave credit toward academic achievement. In order to evaluate this study, the interpretation were made based on the result of data analysis according to the finding of the positive and significant correlation between classroom improvement and academic achievement and also influence of classroom improvement toward academic achievement of English education study program students of State Islamic University Palembang. In addition, the result of the percentage product of the correlation showed there are positive correlation between classroom improvement and academic achievement students of English education study program at Islamic University of Kota Palembang. This means classroom improvement has like education and academic achievement. So it was like correlation classroom development can give impact towards student academic achievement. It is implying it pressure with that quality of academic effort a significant determinant of student learning. Similarly, and Singh and also founded there was a positive relationship school of Judea district in election study connection by Kumalov and Adesa showed in there was a significant relationship between classroom development and the academic performance. Instead of the graduate of the critical development of the graduate influence on student academic achievement, students spend to direct them to take modify all the classroom learning environment to respect all the learning environment. It does not really give a more impact to academic achievement in this study classroom environment give on the person towards academic achievement. It is mandated from classroom environment mainly achievement and from was inhibited by other factors of education effective for academic and qualification. In addition, Karakodi and not only improvement to personal characteristics of learning play important roles in academic success, but also socioeconomic status. Socioeconomic status is one of the research and perform of students of the private argument of the socioeconomic of the learner and quality of their academic performance. Moreover, the finding research by Hijari and Navke focus on the performance affected by different factors such as learning abilities because the new paradigm of the learning assume that the student should learn to higher level, but it's only considered by result that other factors like race, gender, sex, and can eventually perform. Therefore, of the influence of study fund of the relationship and influence between classroom environment and academic achievement of English education certificate chemistry State Islamic University of Fata Palembang. Conclusion from the finding of the implication in the discussed above, the correlation could be present by the correlation between was the highly relatable instrument indicated by the positive and significant relationship between classroom environment and academic achievement. Second, the finding of that there was a slight influence in the classroom environment toward academic achievement of English education study paket University of Fata Palembang. It was on the environment give only a percent contribution to the academic performance, so it can be inferred by lower classroom environment achieved by the student at lower the academic achievement would be. I think enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.